Surely every morning when we wake up, we immediately think about what to eat today to keep ourselves and our families healthy, right? So today, let's find out with me what to eat to help the body stay healthy and not obese. Fast food, sugar, belly fat. Sounds familiar, right? But what if changing the way you eat could help fight obesity for good? Let's talk about food, not fads. More than 42% of American adults are obese. It's not just about looks, it's about diabetes, heart disease, and life expectancy. Age at obesity, CDC data. But what's the real solution? It's probably right on your plate. Forget extreme diets. What works is a sustainable eating plan. High protein keeps you full, preserves muscle. Fiber-rich vegetable slows digestion, curbs hunger. Healthy fats help hormone balance and metabolism. Cut down on added sugars and refined carbs. Practice mindful eating. No more distracted snacking. Plan ahead. Prep your meals and shop smart. Don't skip meals. Eat consistently to avoid cravings. Popular approaches like Mediterranean or low-carb diets can work, but only if they match your lifestyle. The secret isn't a trendy label. It's consistency and caloric awareness. Want to start today? A white heavy checkmark, eat more whole foods. A white heavy checkmark, drink more water. A white heavy checkmark, cook at home 3 eggs a week. Start small. Your health will thank you. Beating obesity starts with one change on your plate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, *, what's one thing you're changing this week?